We've all seen the white marks on our fingernails from where we somehow banged and injured the base of the nail, but seeing a black stripe on someone's fingernail or even toenail is quite unusual. Now one expert is advising about the danger this warning sign might reveal. New York-based nail specialist and board-certified dermatologist Dr. Dana Stern warns a black stripe from top to bottom of a nail is a sign of a potentially lethal nail cancer. The cancer isn't in the nail itself, but in the nail bed. Just like you have moles on your skin, you can have a mole on your nail matrix, which is where the nail grows from, explains Stern. A patient named Julie came to her when she noticed the discoloration in her nail. There was a brown line across my fingernail for I would say maybe a few years, patient Julie told CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez. It started as a light line and then it eventually started getting wider and the middle of it started to get really black, Julie said. She caught the cancer early and was able to undergo treatment, which consisted of removing the nail, the cancer, and the tissue around it. In some cases, it's necessary to amputate the end of the finger, which is why Stern advises everyone to keep an eye out for anything different and strange regarding their nails. People will sometimes develop an early melanoma and think it's an injury and they don't even really realize they're supposed to go to their dermatologist, Stern warns. The most common nails to be affected by this cancer are said to be the thumb, big toe, and index finger nail. The warning signs include blurred borders, a very dark stripe, changes in a stripe that has been there before, and the patient's medical history. Dr. Gomez reports that nail cancer is more common in African Americans, adding it's what reggae legend Bob Marley succumbed to.
Yeah.